So what is the crack, everyone? Owen here from Country Munch, and this week we're going to talk about the fundamentals to starting your diet. So number one really is just start simple and start small. So usually at the start of the day, at the start of the week, that is when our intentions are best. So if you can nail your breakfast, if you can have a good first meal of the day, that really sets the tone for the rest of the day. As opposed to missing breakfast or skipping breakfast and then you're starving at lunchtime, you kind of splash out, you eat with your eyes, and then you kind of write off the day. We kind of have this idea of all or nothing, so if we go wrong once, we kind of write off the rest of the day, which is wrong. The best way to counteract this is start as you mean to go on. A healthy breakfast can be porridge with some fresh or frozen berries. It can be any form of eggs, like scrambled eggs, fried eggs, poached omelettes with some mixed vegetables throughout them, some wholemeal toast. It could be overnight oats, it could be yogurt and granola, it could be granola bars, it could be anything that you find convenient in the morning. The environment that you surround yourself with will influence your eating habits, your routines. So for example, if you're in a workplace that either doesn't serve healthy food, or you're with a group of friends at lunch who all order in pizza or order in takeaway, then the environment that you're in is not beneficial to your goals or your routines. Likewise, after weekends, if your group of friends only want to go out and socialize and order takeaway, order pizza or throughout the week, of course we have to kind of find a happy medium, but the environment that you put yourself in is so important. And finally, one of the most important things is just to be consistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and you can't expect to see huge results over a short period of time. So I would much rather someone be consistent for 3 or 4 days of the week for 7 8 months of the year, or for a full year, rather than someone who is consistent 6 7 days of the week but only for 2 months. You have to start looking at things in a long-term perspective, long-term approaches to your health, your diet, your wellness, your well-being, your fitness, everything. If the way that you're eating or the way that you're training isn't sustainable, isn't something that you can do for the rest of your life, and you need to look at it, take a different standpoint. Start small, be consistent with those changes, and over time you will see massive results. So there are tons more that we can talk about. There are just 3 simple things that I want you to start doing and that can get you on the right track. As always, thank you for watching. Please share it with a friend and keep on cooking.